Alright, good morning everyone. It is Tuesday and guys, I am down here. It's gonna be a nice day today again. Yesterday I didn't vlog anything. What I did yesterday was I went and dumped off some of the scrap metal. So we got a lot of that scrap metal all out of there, and now I just need to grade and clean it all up there. And so that's what I got going on there. And today, you guys, I am gonna go to our other location out of town here. It's about 20 minutes away. That we rented a lot to put to store some of our aggregates and just have a place to work out of, since we were doing a lot of work over there out of town. Like I said, it's 20 minutes, 30 minutes away, and we rent it. It's 125 bucks a month. Now it's winter, we don't need it, so I'm gonna go clean that up and get it back to looking normal for them, and then yeah, so we don't have to rent that, because we got space back here, you guys, that we just cleared out, and we got our back parking lot at the Daily Hustle store as well. Like I said, I got today, when I come back, I'm gonna cut that branch right here, drop that branch, elevate these up, cut them branch, and so and just clean this all up here. And then, you guys, I don't know, not today but tomorrow, I'm gonna take Ashton to go look at some log splitters. Nothing fancy, you guys. We're gonna get probably like a 25-ton log splitter, and so I'm gonna take him with, and we might, you know, pick it up and start at least you know, splitting some of the green wood right now, you know, but so it can season. I think that's what we'll do, and yeah, I'm excited. And so you guys, right now there's sun coming in because there's no leaves in this area, but when they're in the summer, springtime, this is going to be like a canopy in here, so there won't be any sun. So what we're gonna do is for the firewood business, we're gonna put it up here actually, and keep all of our aggregates and stuff down here. For the log business, we're gonna put the wood up here, you guys, so that way it's seasoned. The wood will season quicker when the sun hits, you know, and it'll dry it out quicker. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move some of those logs, or all of the logs, up this way, and so we're gonna just make this area our log splitting area right there. So, and then down here are aggregates and stuff. I said I'm gonna clean this place up even more here. And so here's the box elder that we cut. It's a softwood, but you can still use it for campfire and stuff like that, you know. So we got quite a bit here, right over there. So that's what we're going to start off with. We're going to move that back up to the shop here. We still need to get rid of that stuff. So yes, we are moving right along, you guys. Moving right along, moving forward, which is good. Oh, if any of you guys want custom embroidery, custom hats, custom beanies, or you want one of these Daily Hustle patriotic hats, click the link down below, you guys. And if you want your own custom embroidery or hats, beanies, you guys, email our staff at sales@dailyhustle.store or call them directly, 507-841-1500. They can help you. It's easy process. A lot of you guys have ordered from us, and I want to thank you guys being very supportive. And yeah. All right, guys, let's get hooked up and go. So, to the ones that are just joining us and seeing this video for the first time, I own a landscaping business here in Jackson, Minnesota, you guys. And we just moved into this new shop. Hopefully we can close on it soon. We moved in early. We were able to rent this from the previous owner until we close. So that's why we're here. And to the ones that are just joining, welcome. And so just want to, right now, to the ones that don't know, this is a 2016 Chevy 3500 HD. It's a gasser. That's what we're pulling the trailer with. And this is an H&H trailer, 8x20, you guys, 8x20 trailer, H&H. I bought this, I think, a year and a half ago, 2 years. It's been good to me. We love it. We love it. And so it's got a fold down ramp here. Let's drop, I guess that's it. Let's drop the legs first. Drop that. Lower this. Oh, this is heavy. Gate is very heavy. Right here, you guys, the only thing I didn't like about it is that leg, this leg here on this side just will come off, will drop while we're towing, so it's loose down there. I don't know, so we use a strap for now just to hold it, wrap it up. So yeah, what I'll do is, since the leg is like that, I'm going to pull forward a little bit and level that out. I think this trailer, I think, was like $7,000, $7,000 or $8,000 I paid for. So, oh, what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna get the bucket on here as well. I forgot, so go grab the bucket. It's actually future log splitting firewood business. That's our E20. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. I love this location, you guys. It's very private. I know you want people to see your business and stuff, but in this small town, you guys, everybody knows everybody here, and they know that we do landscaping and stuff, and it's not too hard to find our shop out here as well. So it's a small town. Love this location. It's, like I said, it's out of town. It's probably not even a mile out of town. It's not even out of town. But like I said, it's ours. It feels like home. Just feels scary, like it's gonna tip, you know. But at least I can see the fenders and stuff, you guys, easier, so I don't run over the fenders. That's the only thing I don't like about this trailer. Is that the fenders. Alright. Alright guys, so we are here on location. So here's what we gotta do. Man, we got some pallets. Oh, I'd have to do 2 trips to you guys. Yeah. So I gotta get all this. Man, gotta clean this all out. I still got some nice rocks here, you guys. I think I will have to do 2 trips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 of this I rent, you guys. So $125. It made sense while I was landscaping here, but now it doesn't. So that's I don't know this thing. And so we're gonna clean that up and head back to the shop. Alright guys, so we got this all cleared out. Back to normal. Good to go, good to go. So that's $125 we'll be saving each month. And yeah, the $125 can go to the rental that we're renting right next to our shop. So that money can go to that. Alright, let's head out, guys. Alright guys, so I'm back at the shop with our last load. I was gonna separate it, but it wasn't enough material to save, so it was all contaminated and stuff. So as you can see, it's all mixed together right now, but we're just gonna use that as fill. And so I'm gonna dump it over here, dump it right here, and then just use it as fill and grade it so we can have a nice slope driving down to that area. So yeah, let's back it up here. We'll just dump it right here. excited. We're gonna clean this place up back here. We got to get a system down of where we're gonna stockpile our logs, so we know how many years the logs are seasoned for, what is ready to harvest or ready to sell, and stuff like that, you guys. You know, that's the fun part of getting this business going. I can't wait to get Ashton really involved with this. And so yeah, this is gonna be our, I guess this is our production area we're gonna do with the wood, you know, in here. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, you guys. I am pumped. I am excited. All right, guys, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you let me know if you guys been enjoying the vlogs. Been doing it differently, and so let me know if you like it. I'll continue to keep doing it. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.